Hello friends, what's up? How are you? Welcome to a new video here on JM Tech. I'm going to tell you all the information we know about the iPhone SE2, its specs, the price, the release date, and the concept. We start. According to the rumors, the iPhone SE2 will be called iPhone 9. It will have a 4.7-inch LCD display with the Retina HD technology, glass and aluminum design, a single 12-megapixel wide rear camera, a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, Touch ID, A13 Bionic chip, 3 GB of RAM, 2000 mAh battery life, LTE, IP68 for water resistance, wireless charging, and 64 and 128 storage options. Also, according to the rumors, the iPhone SE2 will cost $399. Apple held an event on March 2016, on March 2017, on March 2018, and also on March 2019. The iPhone SE2 could be officially announced next March. If you want to be informed about all the latest news about the iPhone SE2, don't forget to subscribe to JM Tech. See you in the next one!